Hi, it's Wednesday and it is time for writing. I am coming to you today from what we call a screencast. Instead of you seeing my face, you'll just see my screen, and I have pulled up in front of me the writing assignment you will find today. What I hope you notice first is in blue up here. This assignment will take 2 days. You will complete part of this chart today, and you don't even have to turn it in. And you'll do part of it tomorrow. So you won't even turn this in to me until Thursday, at which point it will be complete. Our teaching point says I can generate evidence for my thesis statement. Remember, a thesis statement is like your claim. It's something, an overall claim you have about the book that you read for book club that you feel confident and comfortable being able to prove to somebody. You could give examples. You want to pick something that you could talk about and explain in many different ways with examples from your book. So Wednesday, part 1, this is what you have to do today, just these 2 bullet points. You will select your best thesis statement from your writing yesterday. So you need to pull up yesterday's assignment. It should be in your Google Docs. You might be able to pull it up from your old assignments. I would probably go to my Google Docs first. Yesterday was when you had to write 6 different theses statements with all of these red starters. You got to try out different ones. You typed them here, and then you put your favorite one in bold. Some of you said, hey, I bolded 2 of them. I can't decide between them. Well, today will help you start to decide between the 2 that you've bolded. Most of you, I think, just bolded 1. So I would just click on the 1. Let's say that this teacher example is the one I wanted. I would click on it. I would highlight it. I'd say Command C for copy, and I would take it right off of there. And I go back to today's assignment because we need it. You need to put your thesis statement that you had in bold down here past the teacher example. You will put it right here. Well, I already put one here. If I didn't, I would click here and do Command V and paste it from the other page. But this is my sample of what I did. Before I tell you that one, let's go up and see this teacher explanation here. What I'm showing you in this box is the only part you will fill out today. You will fill out a green thesis statement. In the book, Pay Attention, Carter Jones, there is a strong theme of courage. Okay, that you copied from the other page. The second part is to write 3 details or pieces of evidence from the book that support or prove that thesis statement. So here's one. Carter forgives his father. In fact, I would, to tie it into my thesis statement more, I would say it took courage for Carter to forgive his father. That proves it. I could talk about that and why that was so courageous. A second detail from the text says Carter learns new skills. So I might tie it into my thesis statement a little more, saying Carter learns new skills, comma, which took courage since they were new to him. And the third detail that could support that thesis about courage is Carter's family moves on with their lives. And again, I'll tie it into my thesis by saying it took great courage for Carter's family to move on with their lives. This is a sample that you will be able to look back on. Don't worry about all those words. That's Thursday's work. Now we scroll down. Yours will be blank. Okay. So I already was practicing on this. You will have a blank box. You will copy and paste your thesis statement. That was your favorite from yesterday. And my example says, the book I Am David teaches readers that people are complex and are usually a mix of good and bad. So I need to find 3 samples from I Am David. My first one says the evil commander showed compassion by letting David escape. See, he's evil, and yet he had compassion. That's a mix of good and bad. Second example, David has a good and innocent heart, yet he still stole bread and broke into, I'll say, places. Okay? He's basically a good character, and yet he did some things that were not so good. Okay? A third detail would be, I have to think about different characters because I'm talking about people in my thesis statement. Let's see. The sailor who found David was actually showing compassion when he lied to his commander. So the sailor lied, which was not good, but actually it was showing compassion, which is good. So people are complex and a mix of good and bad. I made sure that I had 3 details from the text. These are actually things that happened in the book. Tomorrow is when I'll talk to you about what to do in these 3 huge boxes.